In today's video, I am going to show you how to send emails in MailerLite quickly and easily. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to MailerLite. Log into your account, and once you're in, look at the menu on the left and click on Campaigns. This is where you create and manage all your emails. To start a new email, click Create Campaign. For most situations, you'll choose a regular campaign. Then, fill in the key details like your campaign name, subject line, sender name, email address, and pre-header text. These are what your subscribers will see in their inbox. Next, choose your recipients and move on to designing your email. MailerLite gives you different editors depending on your plan, but the drag and drop editor is the easiest for most people. You can add text, images, buttons, and more, or even start from a template if you prefer something already designed. If you want to make your email feel more personal, you can insert the subscriber's name or other details. This helps improve engagement. Once you're happy with your design, click Done Editing and review everything carefully: your subject line, content, and recipient list. When everything looks good, click Send and your campaign will be delivered to your subscribers. And that's all there is to it. Sending emails in MailerLite is simple once you know where everything is. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.